So far, I am very impressed with this coffee grinder. It's much quieter than my previous coffee grinders. The grind is incredibly consistent and efficient. So I'm very happy with this thing. I know you could spend $300 or more. I don't know why you would want to. I don't think it would get much better than this. Anyway, thank you. Here it is. As you can see, it's not messy. I love this little lid here on top. It's got a plastic stopper. Sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand. And as you can see, sorry for the shaky camera, very consistent grind. I'm doing a French press, and the grind I'm using is about in between, I found it between 24 and 16 works fine. For the drip pour over, I like my coffee a little stronger, a little muddier.